Hi, welcome back. I'm ready for the next layer. I waited 7 hours after I did the silver, but it was still tacky. So I decided I'm just gonna wait. So it has been well over 24 hours again, and it is looking fabulous. Can you see? And can you see the shadows of the white? Almost like a ghost. And then it has a little highlight of silver, which is way cool. It is starting to get some weight to it. That's what the back looks like so far. Pretty good. So what I would like to do today is I mixed up some resin, 2 ounces again, and just to make sure, I'm going to do some white, my last and final white, hopefully. I'm just going to do a layer, a real thin layer. Going to use less white than I used in this first one. See if I can get some cool cells and lacing with it. And if not, it's going to look cool anyhow. And then let that cure. And then I'll come in with another row of these rocks just to kind of build it up a little bit. And then hopefully just one layer, and then we'll be done. So before I begin, I'm going to put my gloves on. And I did want to, there we go, demold the little cactus with the mystery resin that's been sitting in there forever, at least a year. Oh, this is demolding really nice. Holy cow. Aw. I love these cactus molds. They're so adorable. Look at that. Oh, he's half and half, but that's okay. That turned out pretty cool. Put him in a clay pot and it'll be great. Okay. So now that that's done, let me just get him out of the way altogether. Get a little cup. Whoops. Yep. Cup. And I do need another stir stick. I'm going to pour, let me do one more mix just to make sure. It does have a lot of air bubbles in it. It's a 2-part epoxy resin, but it's because I stirred without, I'm stirring like this, so I'm incorporating air into it, which is no big deal right now. I don't need to worry about the air bubbles. Got my heat tool. This process, it'll help eliminate them. But I'm gonna pour a little bit in there. And I'm going to use my white, my Colorberry white. This first layer, I used like a squirt and a half. I'm going to try just to do a half a squirt because I think that was too much. There we go. And let me mix that up. Wow. That's still... Yeah, less is more. Take a note of that. That's half a squirt. And let me pour a little bit more of this resin in. To see if I can, I guess, dilute it a little bit more. Yeah, that's still pretty opaque. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's get started. Just pouring around the border, the crushed mirror land divider border. And, whoops, should have poured the white on, or the clear on first, but that's okay. Getting ahead of myself. Not a problem. It'll all work out no matter what. I'll get it closer to the white in a minute. Just want to get these areas covered. One tip that will be handy to remember: resin likes to go where resin has been. So that's why we're spreading the clear, is to help the white resin push through to the clear resin. And now I'm gonna just get it. I think I need a tad bit more resin right there. And you know, since this is a thin layer, these air bubbles are just disseminating. They're popping real quick on their own. Okay, I'm going to add just a touch more clear. Because we don't need it anywhere else. This is so cool, looking with that silver right there. I'm hoping the camera will show it as awesome as it looks in real life. Okay, let's get the heat and heat it up. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. I'm not having a lot of luck with the cells, and that's okay. So this, one more little gallop. This is looking so cool anyhow, even though I didn't have that, that's fine. Looking awesome. There we go. It's starting to do its thing. Needed a little more white in there. Cool. Awesome. It looks like 1 scoop would be the magic number for the color berry. And the white or the clear needs to be added before the white is added, because I think the white gripped the previous layer too much, which is why it was just kind of like diluted and not wanting to do anything. So let me just check this edge right here. Make sure we got resin on our edge. So wanting to go this way, which is kind of interesting because it is level. But you know what? Resin wants to go where resin has been, and resin wants to do what it wants to do. This looks way awesome. So I am going to pour this itty bitty little bit of white in to this dump mold, and then I'm going to cover my project. And clean out my cup, wipe off my stir sticks. I'm gonna let it do its thing, not overheat it, not overwork it. A little spot right there. And cover it with my food tent. At an angle. Good, there we go. All right, cross your fingers. See you in about 24 hours. See you soon. Thank you.